Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a tutorial about iPhone, and I would like to show you the way how to turn on the airplane mode on your iPhone. So what exactly airplane mode? So airplane mode is a setting available on smartphones and other portable device that help you to suspend the device's radio frequency signal transmissions on your mobile phone. So to turn on the airplane mode, you just need to go into the settings, and right after your iPhone's ID there will be like the first boxes that containing several options here, and one of them is airplane mode. To activate the airplane mode, you just need to click this button so that the color become green, and after that you just need to confirm that you want to enabling the airplane mode. So now whenever the airplane mode is active, there will be a plane symbols right in the left side of your battery. So that's the way how to turn on the airplane mode on your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial on your daily. See you for the next tutorial.